Ketika bule datang ke Indonesia, ada satu hal yang membuat banyak bule cukup kaget, yaitu sistem token listrik. Ya, bagi orang Indonesia, hal ini biasa saja. Kita tinggal beli token di minimarket, marketplace, ATM, atau aplikasi digital, dapat angka panjang, dan tinggal masukin ke meteran. Selesai. Tapi bagi bule, konsep ini benar-benar mind-blowing. Karena di negara mereka, listrik itu biasanya selalu pasca bayar, atau bayar bulanan. Jadi, saat melihat Indonesia pakai sistem token, beberapa bule harus melakukan penyesuaian.
Good morning. Here's a funny thing about living in Bali. See this little machine behind me? It's like the electricity credit machine, and you pay as you go for power here. You don't get billed every month. You just like top it up. Like you could put in, $50, $100, whatever, and then when it's finished, your power just goes out. So today I was just realized suddenly that the power was out at our house. Sometimes it happens in the middle of the night if you don't stay on top of it, and then you wake up very sweaty because there's no fans or air conditioning. But yeah, this morning it went out, and basically you can do it from your phone, on your bank app. You can just type in a bunch of stuff, get the credit that you want. You type in a code into this machine, and now the power's back on.
One of the most annoying things in Bali is having to go to the shop and pay cash to top up your electricity. But there's this one hack that I've been meaning to try for a while that's about to save me a ton of time. Alright, let's see if this works. Just type the code in using the phone. We paid for it using the phone on Gojek. Let's see what happens. Benar. We have liftoff. Hang on a second. Electricity. We got the power back. The dog's got the power back. We got the power back. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.
Ya, terlihat dalam video, ada beberapa bule yang suka dengan sistem seperti ini, dan ada juga yang kurang suka. Namun, mayoritas bule banyak yang suka dengan hal ini. Beberapa bahkan mengatakan kalau sistem kayak gini ini harus diterapkan di negara Eropa, karena sistem token listrik seperti di Indonesia membuat mereka mudah dalam mengatur budget bulanan. Bahkan ada yang merasa sistem ini jauh lebih ramah pengguna dibanding sistem di Eropa atau Amerika. Sekarang coba kita lihat kondisi di negara-negara barat seperti Amerika dan Eropa. Kita semua tahu kalau biaya listrik di sana sangat mahal, dan mereka terbiasa dengan sistem bulanan. Namun mereka tidak punya kendali penuh dengan pemakaian listrik yang mereka gunakan. Mereka tidak tahu apa saja yang bikin bengkak penggunaan, karena mereka gak tahu data realnya. Belum lagi, ketika tagihan datang, harus bayar tepat waktu, dan dikenakan denda jika terlambat. Sedangkan menggunakan token listrik, tidak ada denda dan pemakaian listrik bisa diatur secara penuh. Hal inilah yang bikin beberapa bule lebih suka dengan sistem token listrik. Pengisiannya bisa melalui online, tanpa antre dan tanpa ribet. Hal inilah yang membuat mental bule seolah runtuh, karena merasa sistem listrik di Indonesia cukup memberikan kebebasan bagi pengguna.
Bali is different from Australia in so many ways, but my mind was absolutely blown when I found out how they do this one thing. When you rent a house here in Bali, instead of being billed for all the electricity that you use at the end of the billing period, you actually have to buy it all up front, just like it's phone credit. Yes, every house gets one of those little meter boxes, and today I have to top mine up because we are almost out. So this system is very old school, which is kind of why I love it, and you have to go physically out to get your little credit. I thought I would go by foot for a change because I never walk around Bali. I head to a Circle K around the corner. They sadly said the systems are down, so I'm like, whatever, I'll just go to Happy Cell because they always come through. You have to take your little meter number to the ladies, tell them how much you want, and you have to pay with cash as well, and then they'll print you out this little voucher. That's what you will use to recharge. Now, I only got $50 worth, and that might last me 2 weeks depending on how much aircon I use. I went back to our little meter box. I punched in the little numbers. There's so many numbers, so usually it takes me so long to get right.
Pada akhirnya, sistem token listrik Indonesia menjadi hal yang sangat menarik. Di satu sisi, ini adalah sistem yang bagi orang Indonesia terasa biasa saja. Tidak ada yang istimewa. Tidak ada yang perlu dibahas. Namun di mata bule, Sistem yang sederhana ini justru menjadi simbol modernitas dan efisiensi yang jarang mereka temukan di negara yang sering dianggap lebih maju.